In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share Wrike with outside people. Whether they're teammates, clients, or partners, sometimes you'll need to share your projects or tasks with those outside your organization to streamline communication and collaboration. Here's how you can do it seamlessly. First things first, let's begin by navigating to Wrike. Open your preferred web browser and visit the Wrike website. Simply enter your account credentials to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by your Wrike workspace, which is home to all your projects and tasks. If you're an active user, the interface will be familiar. If you're new, don't worry. Wrike's layout is intuitive, and you'll get the hang of it quickly. Now, once you're in Wrike, it's time to identify the specific task or project you need to share. On the dashboard, locate the task or project you wish to share with the outside party. It's likely part of your folders, so check there first. Click on it to open and view all the details, including its progress, checklist, deadlines, and any associated files and discussions. The next step is creating a public link for the task or project you've opened. Look for a share or link icon often found in the task view options or menu. Clicking this will generate a public link. It's important to note that this public link is a special access key, allowing non-users to view the task or project, so manage and share it with care. Be aware of your organization's policies regarding link sharing and maintain best practices for security by periodically reviewing and, if necessary, revoking any shared links. Once you have generated the link, the final step is sending it to the desired recipient via email. Copy the link by clicking the copy button, a small gesture your computer makes very easy, and open your email client. Start a new email and in the body of the message, paste the link. Make sure your message clearly explains what the link is for and what the recipient can expect to see when they click on it. This approach not only keeps the communication clear, but also professional. And there you have it, you've successfully shared a Wrike task or project with someone outside of your organization. This method empowers those without a Wrike account to still be a part of the project, making collaboration seamless. It's perfect for projects that involve freelancers, clients, or external stakeholders. Remember, always keep security in mind by only sharing links with trusted parties. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out through the comments or our support channels. Happy sharing!